Hello everybody, hope you are doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can increase sound in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you want to increase volume to 200% in your device Infinix Hot 20, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how to increase volume to 200% in your device.